So that was one issue I had with these so far. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, or as always, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Today I've got two things in these two boxes right here that I think is pretty cool. I got them for Christmas. Thank you to my wife. I'm gonna open them up and show you. So the first one is a new third brake light. It's all smoked out, all LED, and I didn't know, but it's pretty cool. This one actually comes with a new gasket, so hopefully that'll hold up and I won't have any leaks or anything like that. So I'm gonna be putting that in up there, and then I'm gonna try it again with some new taillights. Now these are the OEM style, but basically just smoked out housing. So I mean, they still look pretty clear, so I'm hoping you'll still be able to see real good. I'm not too worried about it. If it gets too dim, I'll just throw some LEDs in the taillights. I just think it'll be a huge upgrade from this one. This one's real bad. That one's not too bad. That just kind of looks old and dingy. This one actually looks fairly decent. It was probably replaced before I got the truck, I don't know. But I definitely think these and that will be an upgrade from all this. So I'm going to show you that, just putting it in, all that stuff, show you what it looks like after. And there's one thing I do want to test. I've heard with these third brake lights, the LED ones, that when you put them in, you lose cruise control. So I'll be testing that out today too, and I will let you guys know. I'll link the third brake light and tail lights in the description below, so you guys know where to find that stuff. Let's get to it. Okay, so taillights are in. There are two things already that I noticed. The bulbs, they don't really like to lock. So what I did is I just kind of twisted the wires and put a little bit of goop in it. Not really glue, but just kind of hold it better, keep it in place, because they would just, like, they would pull in, but then it would work its way out eventually. So that was one issue I had with these so far. And then the other one was not really an issue, but didn't really tell me this. You have to use the clips off your stock taillights. So just, there's a little tab in the back. You'll just pull it up, bend it a little bit, and then it'll just pull right off, and then you can put it on your new one. That part isn't that bad, because the problem I've had with these aftermarket taillights is they'll strip out. So you got the stock ones in there, they won't strip out. So that's nice. But for aftermarket taillights, these fit really, really good. And I was real worried about the fitment, but these fit just about as good, if not a little bit better than stock. So far I'm liking them. The only problem, I won't call the tab one a problem. The only problem I had was the lights just didn't like to lock, so I had to use a little bit extra to lock them in there. Maybe if you got like a thicker gasket, like the gasket that goes around the bulb sockets, maybe if you get like two of them and stick them together, maybe that would work. I don't know, but let's get on to installing this third brake light, and hopefully this goes a little better. Alright guys, new lights are in. I'm pretty happy. I'll retract what I said about the clips. It actually came with brand new clips, but I'm a dingus and didn't look in the box. So look in the box, comes with the clips, but that socket issue is still a big problem. The third brake light came out good. The gasket doesn't come on it. You have to put it on it, but it's not that hard. It just sticks on there, and then you can screw it down, make sure it gets all flat and nice. So I'm gonna test and see if all this works. Alright guys, so here we are in the truck. I am currently driving to work right now. I just want to test out to see if I still have cruise control after putting in that third brake light. And yep, I do. Foot is off the gas, cruise control is on, so that means that my cruise control is still functioning with this third LED brake light. Alright guys, so as you can see, new clothes, meaning it's a new day. I just got off work, everything did fine. Like, I did the cruise control test, that worked, and I mean, you saw when I hit the brakes and everything that everything lit up great. So I think it looks a lot better. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Follow me on all my socials, Instagram, TikTok, all that good stuff. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Like this video if you like this kind of stuff and want to see more of it. It helps me out a lot, gets this in front of more people, that whole spiel. I've said it before, I won't say it again. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Like I said, I think it looks a lot better than those old, crusty, dingy lights. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Like I said, I just got off work, so I'm a little tired, ready to hang out with the fam. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.